Dear Diary, today we found the best view deck in Benguet. This view deck is located in Sitio Barangay Balili, Mankayan, Benguet. It sits at the edge of the plateau in Kata. Here you have a view of the beautiful Farmville of Benguet. Kata Plateau is dubbed the Farmville of Northern Benguet due to its expansive vegetable farms and picturesque landscapes. The region is renowned for its abundant production of highland vegetables, especially potatoes, making it a vital agricultural hub. The cool climate and fertile soil of the plateau contribute to the high quality and yield of its agricultural produce. There is a short walking distance from the view deck to the main highway. It sits on top of this giant rock. It has become a favorite destination for motorcycle riders exploring the scenic and less traveled mountain routes. The view deck provides a sweeping 360-degree panorama that includes distant peaks, deep valleys, and vegetable terraces. Surrounding the view deck are lush vegetable farms that highlight the agricultural heritage of Mankayan. There are no large establishments or commercial distractions nearby, preserving the area's peaceful and raw beauty. This place, especially famous for its breathtaking sunrises and sunsets, which paint the sky in brilliant colors. But today, we are here at noontime, and how lucky are we to have this clear view. The area is usually wrapped in fog early in the morning, giving it a dreamy, mysterious atmosphere. The area is perfect for those seeking solitude, or a quiet place to reflect, write, or simply breathe fresh air. Public transportation is limited, so most travelers come via private vehicles, motorcycles, or as part of biking groups. The view deck's charm lies in its simplicity. No fancy structures, just raw nature and open skies. On clear days like this, visitors can see all the way to the towns of Cervantes and Carino in Ilocos Sur. Cell signal is spotty in some areas, helping visitors fully unplug and be present in the moment. There are farmers around the place working hard. Don't forget to say hello. Most of the locals are friendly but shy. Don't be surprised that you see tombs on the farms or near homes. It's customary to bury the deceased near or under the family home. This practice allows families to maintain a close spiritual connection with their ancestors, believing that their presence offers protection and guidance. In fact, one of the visitors here mentioned that this view deck has a hidden tomb below it. So like curious cats, we went down to investigate. And there it is. After a short visit, we went to look for a place to eat. Thank you for watching. We are featuring a nearby inverted restaurant next, so see you on our next video. Love VL.